to another episode of
Take It to the Table.
All right, so we are going to try the new Reese's series of the donuts that they have. It's 3 different kinds, right? So what they're gonna is 4 of us. I bought 4 of the 3, 4 each for each one of us, and we're gonna tell you guys which one we like the best. And there's some type of thing going on to where Krispy Kreme wants you to vote to see which one you like the best. Is it on Instagram or where? Where is it?
I'm not sure.
Well, we'll put it in the description box.
We'll check.
So we have our plates here and our water because we opened the box and they smell so sweet. So I know for sure I'm not going to be eating an entire donut. I'll probably just bite one of each one and let you guys know which one I like the best. How about y'all?
Yeah, just a bite.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to get one of each one.
We should try one more with each of us and clean up this little.
Let me see that box, get it out of the way. Alright, so I was looking forward to doing this until I opened the box and smelled how sweet they were, but what did I expect, right? They're donuts, right?
I don't know if I expected it to look so chocolatey, to be honest.
I know it's like full of chocolate,
It
but
looks like a chocolate donut. So,
Yeah, I think they're probably better if it was a glazed donut.
yeah, that's what I was
without the
thinking.
chocolate on it, right?
No, with the chocolate on top, but a glazed. Like
This is
This
an
is a
actual
chocolate
chocolate donut.
Oh, gotcha. If
We're
the donut,
assuming.
yes, if the
Yeah.
donut was regular, just a regular Krispy Kreme
with this
donut.
stuff on top. But let's see. But let's see. We might like the chocolatey.
And you know what? Each
Reese's
one of them
taste.
have a name. Do y'all want to look up the names of each one of them? See, one of them I read somewhere. One is from 2017, 18, and 19, and they want everyone to vote to see which one they like the best.
Okay,
So
we'll look it up for
Jada
you.
is going to look it up.
The presentation though on these donuts. This one right here. That's so cute.
Yeah, it is.
It has chocolate and it has the Reese's pieces and then it got peanut butter drizzled across the top.
And it's going to be so interesting to see which one of us like what, because we all might come up with different ones, you know.
Can you show
So
them up close? The donuts?
Oh, geez. Okay, here we go. So
I'm gonna try to put it inside the video and see.
Okay, you can look behind the camera.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna show you guys an up close version of them. You see him? And my hand is here because I don't want it to slide off. But see,
Well, that was a Reese's classic. Okay, wow. Come on.
no, let me click it.
there you go. So pretty.
Okay, so we do know this one is a Reese's classic donut.
Is that the one from 2017?
I think this is from
Does
this
it
year.
say?
Well,
The other ones are not on their website, so I'm try to find. I'm gonna try to find the other ones. Maybe it's on this.
maybe you can Google the 3 different types of Reese's.
I think I'm
I
gonna
filled our cups with water because
Okay,
I know
so-
I'm gonna need it.
from. Okay, so this one is the Reese's Outrageous Donut, chocolate donut dipped in Hershey's chocolate icing and topped with Reese's Pieces and a drizzle of caramel and peanut butter icing.
What year is that from?
2018.
Okay.
And then. Is this? Oh, okay. And this is the Reese's Original Filled Chocolate Lover's Donut from 2019.
Oh, so the first one, this is the one from 2017?
2020, right? Oh, wait.
19.
No, this is 2017.
Right.
Oh, okay.
One is 17,
That's
one is 18.
19.
No, that's not what
Yeah.
mine is.
This is original filled chocolate over donut. Oh wait, that's not this
Oh,
one.
wait. Oh, I don't know. There's a...
We got to get it right so we can tell them.
Okay, no.
we
This
put
one is 19. This one is 18 and this one's 17.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, so we'll try from 17, 18, 19, right? 17, 18, 19. So let's try the one from 2017 first.
Which is this one. This one.
It has I bet this is filled with some type of cream because it has a whole
I think
like
it's peanut butter cream.
Okay,
Here we go.
Me too. I don't usually be eating cream filled donuts.
neither.
I don't know. She's like a health.
Well,
no,
not
just
that.
donuts.
Just I love to eat a donut, but
what's
cream filled. Let's just see.
Cream filled.
Oh, hold on. I ain't eat your bite to the cream. I tricked them. We ain't biting it.
really?
No, for me. Okay, hold on. I didn't get no cream. Did you do the side where they put it
I don't
in
like
the
the cream.
side?
I like the
I
donut
think I
part.
really bite
Care
it.
for that one.
I like the donut part, but I don't like the cream in the middle. It's like exploding in my mouth, and I'm not having it.
I don't really too much care for that one.
Are we doing each one like how we like it at the moment?
Mm-hmm. And then we'll see which one
That one
we'll.
was
I don't like the taste
even
of
the
peanut
flavor.
That's what it is. Something going on with
Even the
it.
that's
I
why
don't like that
the flavor.
cream in the inside.
Okay, so I don't like that one at
No,
all.
I didn't like the texture of the cake either.
I don't like anything about it.
Mm-hmm. I didn't
And
care.
I love donuts.
Right.
Yeah,
Exactly.
donuts is like my favorite, but
Yeah.
that one wasn't it. Okay.
Yeah, they could take that one off.
Next one is this one.
Is that from 2018?
And this one's the latest one.
Okay. So let's see. All right. Oh, it's so cute. With all the little
Oh my god.
This one's
It has stuff in it.
Let me see.
It's not bad though.
It's better than the first one.
I'm sorry, I just bit where all the cream was.
Mm-hmm.
That part I don't like, but the rest of it I do.
I like the glaze. I love original glazed donuts, so I like that it has the glaze on it.
I like that one better than the first one, y'all.
Yeah.
I do.
I would like it if it didn't have anything in it. But I do like the, it's good.
I like the cream in it too.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I just barely bought to get it, the cream part.
Yeah, I don't have that much cream, but
It's like sectioned in the donut, so it's like.
Oh, I see. Look at the bottom.
mm-hmm. See how it's in the bottom?
Yeah.
That one was okay. Let me see.
Not bite. And she did not bite that donut.
It's pretty good. I didn't really taste any cream, Did you like it?
I know. You know what? We don't have that many sweets, and she just, but we're trying them out. We love the original.
Why you
This
had to
is
call
like-
me out like that?
This is sweet
I was
as
like,
overload. I saw videos where people was eating the entire one. I just can't. I don't see how that's happening.
Okay. Come on, you about to?
No, I'm trying not to eat the cream part.
But you like it though. I see you tearing that up on this one.
Again. There's cream in here too.
No, I don't. You know what? I don't think this one has cream. Oh,
It
it does. It does. All right, y'all.
Okay.
Last one.
20.
This is good to see for someone that doesn't like eat a lot of sweets. So this is good for us to.
Isn't this
for
one
you-
just
for
this
you
one,
all
but
to
just
see
not
how
with all
we
the stuff on it?
react to too sweet of sweetness. So let's see.
I bet where no cream is.
Me too.
This one's drier. It's not as tasty as the other one. It's just like this one, but like
Y'all
without.
are playing with me right
Oh,
now.
I'm just saying.
This one doesn't taste like Reese's anything.
Maybe it's the peanut butter side.
Good.
Go ahead and bite that. Y'all don't quit playing with me.
Hey, she going
If y'all don't quit playing with me.
All right.
I had to take a jasmine bite on that last one.
I know.
No, really.
The-
I was
so-
not doing that again.
So listen, y'all. Out of the three, really, I mean, you know, if they don't bring any of them back, that's fine. Look. If they don't bring any of them back, that's fine. But look, y'all, let's go down the road and just see which one we like the best. I like this one the best out of all of them.
I like this one the best out of all of them.
So you don't even really want to choose between them because you're like, okay, no, that's fair enough.
Like any of them.
Yeah. How
If
about
I had to eat one, like if I was like forced to eat one,
yes, yeah, that's yeah.
Yeah.
You too. Yeah, I mean, you know.
Because I think that was cute.
it was the one with the most flavor and it wasn't as dry as
Right. This one had the most flavor. This one
was the worst one for me.
oh my goodness,
This one-
yes. And this one to me wasn't too far behind it. I didn't care for this.
I don't understand how they upgraded from this to this, but
Right, but
Okay.
this one doesn't taste like Reese's anything. This one did. And what we said was that instead of having all this rich chocolate sweetness, to have the cake part like that, and just have the top layer like it is. You know, that makes more sense. It's just too sweet, you know, too sweet. I knew when I opened the box and smelled it, all of us was like, okay, you know.
and for all of them to be filled, that's just like overkill. Why are they filled?
You can't go wrong with the original glazed donut, though.
Thank you. Now we'll tear them up, okay? But you know, it was fun to do. But yeah,
But I see people liking them a lot. Like,
Yeah,
it's just not, my thing.
I just can't.
They're not.
I can't even eat an entire one of these. Yeah. So, all right, you guys. So you see our reaction of eating these Reese's donuts. But at least you'll have an idea of if you're not like that big of a
Chocolate.
sweet, yeah.
I
Sweet.
actually love donuts. It's something about the chocolate. It's too much of something.
It is.
It's the cream. It's the peanut butter. And it's so much cream. It's just a lot going on.
It is.
It's almost like, I don't know what's happening. I'm not,
And you see look, you finished your glazed donut, didn't you? And look, Jada's almost finished hers.
I finished mine too.
Hey, you can't go wrong with that, with the original Krispy Kreme. You can't go wrong with that. But these here,
I think what happened between this one and this one, maybe people complained that this one was like too much on it, so they tried to downgrade it to this. Maybe, try to make it a
but
little more
Krispy
simple.
Kreme, how about like what we said? Just have the original Krispy Kreme donut with this topping on the top. I bet that'd be good. Instead of just chocolate everywhere, and then inside it has more sweet stuff in it. It's not enjoyable like that. Well, you know what? I'm gonna take that back. It might be to some people, but you know,
Yeah.
Somebody likes it.
yeah, you know. So
Which is our takeaway. Yeah, just our takeaway.
yeah. But I enjoyed tasting them and seeing what y'all was raving about. But I can see how you thought it was good. Not thought it was good, but
Yeah.
all right, y'all. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you guys for watching.
So
Thank you.
overall, this one is the winner. Okay. So actually, you remember in the beginning I said I thought that we was gonna have different ones, but we all chose this one. I mean, if we had to choose one, we chose this one. All right.
Bye.